Now the kit comes inside our bear paw tin, which many people use as their bushcraft or survival tin. Inside you'll find the practice ropes, orange and green. The ropes themselves are 3 feet long. They're thick enough and sturdy enough that they hold their form while you're learning to tie knots. The knot tying card itself is inside its own burlap sack. On the front page of the card, I've made a camp scene that shows exactly where to tie each of your knots. And then sliding the card open just like this, you could access how to tie each of the 10 camping knots in step-by-step fashion. If you prefer video form, on the back there's a QR code that links to all my video tutorials of all these knots online. For size reference, the card is about the same size as a credit card. Now if you order the large size kit, you'll get the additional large knot tying card. So the large one is really good for at home, the small one is great for in the field. With the large kit, you get both of these. I'm your friend DJ with the Bear Essentials, and thanks for your support.